Hi everyone! We are going to unbox an order from Amazon. We ordered this. As you can see, it's a Vogma V9 air duster. Let's open it. It's packaged well. Pull it. Okay. There is a sheet on top, a protective sheet. Dear friend, thanks for your support. You have any questions, please contact us. Best wishes to you. I'm not sure if it is Anya or Anna. I think that's a cute note. Vintage olive green pen. Wishing you happiness. And there's the manual, user manual. There's 2 brushes, a cord for charging, and this is the air duster.
Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.
Look at that. It's just like the weight of the phone. It's not really heavy. Let me see. Let's get the manual. Product introduction. Number 1 is the air outlet. This one is where the air comes out. Number 2 is the air lint. Oh no, air inlet. It's the air comes in, goes in, and then comes out here. Number 3, 100 times. 103. Where is this? Ah, this one, the LED display. Number 4, on and off. Number 5, violent wind adjustment. Number 5. Oh, this is where you adjust the wind. And super violent wind is number 6. Ah, so this is violent wind adjustment. And this one is the super violent wind adjustment. Number 7 is the charging port, which is this one, a USB-C. Packing list, we have the main machine. We have the USB cable. We have the user manual. And these brushes. I think this is for cleaning. Yeah. So using instruction long press. I'm not sure if this is already charged, but before using the super power turbo fan, please read operating. It did not say you have to charge it. So long press the power button to turn the machine on and off and enter standby mode after turning on. We will remove this one first. The protective, how do you call this? Protective something. I think this is charged, but we'll try. Long press the button. And there one. It says 100%. So does it mean 100% charge? Gear shift. After starting up, press the small fan button. So this one on the top to switch gears successively. Ah, you can see it here. Look. That's low. Look. Let me see. And then, oh, it's good air. Good air. I think you can use this for if you are in the humid place. Oh, it's nice. It's like a fan. And then successively level 1. That's the level 1. Level 2. Level 3. It's really intense. And off. Oh, there are 3 levels. Long press and hold the big fan button to turn on to level 4. Ah, this is the level 4. Oh. Oh. Okay. So if you are from level 1, level 2, level 3, and then you can press this for stronger wind. Oh wow, that's amazing. I love this. You can use this for dusting your how do you call that, your keyboard, cleaning your laptop, your computer, or even dusting in the house. You can do this too. Charging. The charging indicator light will keep blinking when charging and stop blinking when fully charged. Ah, okay. Where is the charging? Maybe here. Maybe you can see it here. Hold on. It's their indicator light. Charging indicator light. I do not see any small thing. We'll try to charge this. And then, please charge it on the first use. Ah, okay. There you go. Why you put it here in the last? Put it in. All right. Please charge it on the first use. So we will charge this first. Intelligent protection function. The product will automatically shut down when there is no operation after 1 minute of standby. That's good. So there is 7.4 volt on this machine. The battery capacity is 500 megahertz. Charging time is 3 hours. So I cannot charge this now because we are about to go to sleep. Mode is 4 wind speeds. That's the one I showed you just a few seconds ago. Maximum use time 10 minutes. Then you have to charge. Maximum power 180 watts. Charging current 2A. Oh, so just 2A, 5. I think just a phone block you can use. Size 103 to 153, 48 mm. That's the size of this item. See, it's just very, very handy. Very small. Your phone is wider than this. See, it's slimmer than your phone. Weight batteries included 308 grams. And cleaning and maintenance and attention. So, this is very nice, friends. Long press maximum mode. So you have to just long press this. And then if you let go, it will automatically turn off. That's what it happened. That's what it did when I press it. Oh, when I just short press it. Short press. Yeah, turbo fan. This is very nice. It's a strong wind power. Brushless motor, rechargeable air duster, portable pocket design, overheat protection, versatile long standby time, strong wind power, LED display, one-click storm. This is very nice, guys. We will try this. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye-bye.